Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to see who logged into your Instagram account. So you can open the Instagram account and you will just right bottom of profile icon settings, and you will have to click to the top right corner of three horizontal lines of settings, and you will see in the account center, and here is the password and security, and you will see the security checks in where you logged in, and you will choose your profile account which is logged in. So here is the you can see the all devices where you logged in, and if you want to select devices to log out all, you will just click to the last option. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.